Welcome back to another episode of vidIQ Shorts. 60 seconds, one topic, let's go. Okay, this video isn't about YouTube demonetization. It's about videos that are monetized but suddenly bring in less revenue. This happens every year at the same time of year. Now, for argument's sake, let's say your video views and watch time remain identical, but your AdSense revenue in the second half of the year slowly climbs, peaking in December and then tanking in January. Some channels can see their revenue fall as much as 60 or 70%, despite the same number of views. So the question is, why does this happen? Well, the answer is pretty simple. Everyone, including advertisers, spends the majority of their dollars in the run-up to the holiday season. Once we hit the new year, everyone goes into a spending hibernation and things don't really recover until the second quarter of the year. So in summary, AdSense revenue is beyond the control of the individual, which is why many of the top YouTube channels have several income streams that may include personal brand deals and merchandising.